Alright, hello, my name is Annalise, and I will be analyzing Toyota's CEO Akio Toyoda's apology video. A little background on this is he came to publicly apologize to the Congress for the safety lapses that led to widespread recalls for accelerator and braking failures. He begins by taking full responsibility of the safety of vehicles that customers are unsure about and says that their business development has been so rapid that their pace was just too quick for them to keep up with. He prioritizes safety, quality, and volumes, but explains that those priorities became confused and they weren't able to think, make improvements, and listen to the customers, which then led to the recall issues that they are facing. So here, here we notice that Akio is reading from a script, looking down, rarely looking at the camera, but when he does, it's direct and it's to the public. Akio here has the right motives and expresses that he is ultimately the one at fault and will ensure that he will do everything to keep safety, quality, and their volumes to meet high expectations for their customers. Yet this is predictable. This is an apology video. But although Akio admitted faults by him and his company, Pamela Myers' TED Talk provides examples and evidence on how Akio may be caught lying in his apology statement. She explains that liars will be overly determined in denial and revert to formal rather than informal language. But once we take a listen here at Akio's apology statement, you will see that he does not revert to formal language, and he's just deeply sympathizes for the drivers, and he expresses condolences if we just take a listen from the very beginning.
Last few months, our customers have started to feel uncertain about the safety of Toyota's vehicle, and I take full responsibility for that. I would like to discuss what caused the recall issue.
So as you can see, he took the full blame on that. And going forward, so liars, a trait that they have that usually is overlooked, but one of the most telling indicators of deception is their attitude. Liars will have pauses in their speech, have a low tone, look down, provide too much detail in irrelevant areas of the purpose of the apology. And yes, although Akio is not engaged in making eye contact, he has a steady tone. He's sitting upright. He is brainstorming ideas and being cooperative, and he's showing the public that he is on their side and taking blame, which is one will do when they are honest. And also, Amy Cuddy discussed in her TED Talk that it's not always about your body and what it's doing physically, but what your mind is doing to change your body and vice versa. And she says that powerful and effective people tend to be more confident and optimistic and be able to think more abstractly, which is what CEO Akio does here. He provides solutions and ensures that this will never happen again. And I think this represents a good apology video of the CEO Akio Toyoda apologizing to the public about the safety of the vehicles that were sold that led to the widespread recalls. So, yes, thank you.